Hi everyone, welcome back to Unreal with Usman. In today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how you can switch between the first person and third person camera in Unreal Engine. As you can see, I easily switch between the third person camera view to first person, and from the third person again back to the first person view. It is very easy setup and only takes a few steps. So let's get started. As you know, I am in a default Unreal Engine third person character template. I first open my BP third person character blueprint class. On here, I first change my follow camera name to third person camera. After that, I search for the new camera and drag it to my mesh. You also make sure that you drag the new camera and put it onto the mesh. After that, I change its name from camera to the first person camera. After first person camera, for the parent socket, I just simply search for the head. I simply select this head option, and for the rotations and location, I just set to -90, and for the Z also 90, and for the location, I just put it to the 10. I think these values seems to be good for me, and you can also adjust according to your need, but I think these values are perfect. And after that, by selecting the first person camera, I just enable the option of use pawn control rotation. If we check it, it makes sure the camera will follow the controller rotations. After that, I search for the other option called auto activate and just disable this option. It makes sure that when we play the game, our character will spawn with the third person camera view. If you want that your character will spawn with the first person camera view and you play the game, just simply go and activate this option and go in third person camera and just deactivate this option. But I just want my game character will spawn with the third person camera view. I just simply uncheck the auto activate option in the first person camera view. After compile it, save it, then I go into my event graph and I just simply search for the V keyboard event. On V keyboard event, I just drag my third person camera and search for is active. After branch, now if my third person camera is active, then I want my first person camera to be active. Then I search for the set active and just check this option, and then I select the third person camera and just duplicate set active and make sure my third person camera is now not active. For the false, just copy it and paste it, connect to the false pin and just opposite to the first condition. Now this is my condition. If I play the game and I have a third person camera is active, then I press the V keyboard event, then it automatically switch my camera view from third person to first person. And if I have play the game with my first person camera view, then it will simply disable the first person camera view and enable the third person camera view. After that, I just make another step and search for the use control rotation. You set use control rotation jar, just enable on the first person camera view, duplicate and just disable onto the third person camera. And why I use control rotation jar and enable onto the first camera view, because when we enable it on the first person camera view, then if our character move left or right, it makes sure our whole character body moves with that. Now after compile it, save it. Now when we test the game, as you can see, when I press the V input keyboard event, my camera switch from the third person to the first person, and when I press the V input keyboard again, it can switch back to the again third person view. So now you can see I smoothly switch between the first person camera view and the third person camera view, and now it is working perfect for me. And that's all for this tutorial. If it helps you, don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. And if you have any question, feel free to ask me in the comment section. And thanks for watching. I will see you in the next video.